Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're diving into the Geek Chef 16 Cutie Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This compact, multifunctional kitchen gadget promises to make your cooking healthier, quicker, and easier. Let's find out if it delivers on those promises. With a 16-quart capacity, this oven can handle up to 4 slices of bread, a 9-inch pizza, or 700 g of chicken wings at once. Perfect for family meals or holiday dinners, this little powerhouse ensures everyone gets their fill without the need for multiple batches. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to this product in the description and comments at a promotional price, so to guarantee it, click and add this product to your Amazon cart. This oven is a jack of all trades with its 4-knob operation system: timer, temperature, function, speed. You can cook a variety of foods like cake, chicken, fish, pizza, steak, toast, and even fries. It's perfect for those who want a versatile appliance that can handle almost anything. Want to try something new every day? Access 100+ video recipes through the app and experiment with different dishes. Plus, the stainless steel construction makes this oven durable and super easy to clean. It's a great gift for family and friends who love to cook. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food. The 360 degrees air convection technology ensures your meals are cooked evenly every time. With adjustable fan speeds, you can achieve the perfect crisp and delicious results with up to 75% less fat. Healthy and tasty? Yes, please. The Geek Chef Air Fryer Oven comes with all the accessories you need: a baking pan, air fryer basket, wire rack, and crumb tray. Plus, Geek Chef offers a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. Positive points: large 16-quart capacity for family-sized meals. Multifunctional with 4-knob operation for easy use. Access to 100+ video recipes through the app. Even cooking with 360 degrees air convection technology. Healthier cooking with up to 75% less fat. Durable and easy to clean stainless steel construction. Comes with essential accessories and a 1-year warranty. Negative points: the exterior can get hot during use, so handle with care. Might be too small for larger families or big gatherings. So, should you add the Geek Chef 16 Cutie Air Fryer Toaster Oven to your kitchen? Absolutely. It's a versatile, efficient, and stylish addition that makes cooking healthier and more enjoyable. Just be cautious of the hot surfaces and make sure it fits your cooking needs. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.